Welcome back to the session in this series of training basics of social media and digital marketing. So, today in this series, we have this last session and we will discuss various topics, including graphics, how to create content, and basics of YouTube marketing. We will explore few options with the YouTube, how we can create a YouTube channel and how to upload, create videos and other things. So we can start with uh, the point where we left last day. So that is the basics of graphics, what type of things that we should keep in mind when we are creating different types of graphics for our advertisement, or you can say for our audience as well. So we can start with the presentation. Okay, let me open my presentation. Just wait. Apart from this, we will also check few options uh, with the YouTube marketing and how to create a YouTube channel, how to create content for YouTube, and different types of media posts for different types of social media platforms. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So here's the presentation. Yeah, if you have any queries, you can always type in the chat box. So these were the guidelines that we were discussing in the graphics, the guidelines. So we learn about various things. These are the 10, you can say 10 principles to design graphic and various types of advertisements or videos or other things. Even you can say websites or mobile apps, web pages. So these will apply in all the things that you can see on your screens. So these are 10 principles: hierarchy, balance, alignment, emphasis, proportions, movement, negative space, contrast, repetition, and variety. So we must try to follow these rules. And also you can see the source of this is I also noted down here from this online source. I take this design principles. So I think we covered these things. Okay, we can start from here. So in the graphic guidelines, the sixth principle is the movement refers to the way a user eyes move across the composition. So the word composition is the word here. So what do you mean by composition? Composition means combination or group of various things that are placed on your graphics. For example, you can see in this web page, this is a design of a web page. So it is related to the fitness, and you can see the placement of various elements on this page. So as you can see, to align or to maintain the visual hierarchy, different types of elements. First of all, you can see the background elements like this pink borders around on this side or on the other side. Then elements are aligned, and basically this page is divided into three columns. One is on the left and middle, and similarly on the right. So emphasis is on the fitness. So they use related, you can say topic related images for this composition. Dynamic design encourage lot of eye movement while static ones encourage less. So nowadays when we design websites, we always keep in mind to make the design dynamic or use the techniques that allows dynamic design. That means, what do you mean dynamic design? That means the web page that can be browsed not only on the desktop but on various devices, and the design automatically adjusts to the device. For example, if you use this page or browse this page on your tablet or mobile, so it will automatically adjust the text, icons, menus and images according your device. That means a user will get the better experience while browsing through the web page or any service that you are providing. The best designers can to an extent control which design element user focus on by placing them along path of most natural eye movement patterns. So with this study, generally these things are defined. So which elements are more interesting or more to the relevant to the topic, so you can, so the user can enjoy it more or focus it on more. So next thing is negative space. We already checked this. Negative space, also called white spaces or blank spaces along or within your page. Okay. So with the negative spaces, the idea of using the negative spaces to highlight the main topic. So in this example, you can say the highlight is always the main topic or title. Then we have subheadings and body text, and an appealing image is added to this page. Similarly, color and contrast. Contrast and color, as we always use these things on our all the devices. So for the designer, it is good practice to use the elements that has best color, shape and size to contrast the all over look of your page or design. Color contrast is often first thing people think of, but differences in the sizes of all elements, their shapes, or some other property also create contrast. So you can see not only the colors or hues or the shades you can say, but with the different types of elements, we can create a good contrast on the page. Contrast serves two very important functions. First, it allows you to make elements stand out from one another. A complete lack of contrast would result in a design that is simply a single background color with no other visible elements. Not exactly a functional design. A design where you can see different elements automatically has some level of contrast, as you can see in this example. So according the theme or according the topic, the colors are chosen and the background is used is a dull with a grayscale hue in it. Similarly, the heading is in on the contrast side on the bright colors, bright yellow colors, and similarly you can see the other parts are not so bright. So the main focus is on the color element here. Next thing is repetition. So this is very much used in various type of designs. Repetition refers to using the same or similar elements throughout the design, either in regular or irregular patterns. It is used to enforce certain elements while also providing sense of unity and continuity to the design. Repetition can be used to create rhythm, which helps move users through the designs. Employ repetition in simple ways such as using the same icon throughout in the background patterns. Generally, the background patterns you will see the repetition of elements to fill the blank spaces or to fill the white spaces you can say. It will depend upon the different type of design. Now variety, next thing is variety is also spice of the life. So you can see, as you can see in the examples, so the same goes for the design while repetition adds the sense of harmony in your design. Variety keeps it interesting and prevents users from getting bored. Create a variety of adding unique and unexpected elements in your design. Variety can also be used to draw users' attention to specific elements or areas of design and make them stand out. So we can create different types of samples to attract our audience. So we can keep on trying various type of designs with various colors, color combinations and various types of elements. So it make the whole experience more interesting. So your user or audience will always keep with you for your elements, for your designs. So in this next we have elements or resources you can say from where we can get. For example, if you are not a designer, you are new to the design, So for the new users or who have no idea how to create something to publish with their audience, for those, these are the different graphic sources and tools. Nowadays, as we are always online, so it's the best time to focus and to explore on various elements that are available online. So in these different type of services are available. So here we have picked few to share with you for pictures. As you know, the most of the graphics are made of different types of elements. So you can find the different types of elements. Okay, let me show you some designs. I can share some of the design with you so you can have an idea. We can extract this. Yeah, here we have the extract. I have some, yeah, it is already there. Okay. Yeah, we have some images here. Okay, let me, okay, let's extract it again. I think something with, yeah, this is one of the example how we can create brochures or flyers for sharing on our social media posts or online on various platforms. Maybe, so in this you can see we have different types of element. Generally, you can see we have text information and we have different type of background elements. We have some related images as you can see here. Then we have number of icons. As you can see, this is the icon, another different types of element made this presentation or brochures. Then we have icons for the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology here. We have the Future Scale Prime icon. Similarly, we have the logo and we have the CDEC logo as well. So these are the logos. We have text, then we have different type of elements for reskilling and upskilling. Then we have text information. Then we have related icons here. For the learning outcome, we have this icon for the highlights, for the objectives. So we can find these things online. Now here, if I zoom it, you can see the mode of learning online. So we use similar or related type of icon here. For the duration, we have this icon where we have this watch icon inside, calendar and watch. So we use these types of things when we create something. And as this is an online course related to the social media analytics, so we use this image to highlight the thing that what is the main purpose of this course. Similarly, we can check other things, maybe, okay, let's check this one. This is another brochure for the other department, for the other topic. So again, similar type of things are used, different images, different types of colors. Color scheme is different here. The font selection. So generally, as we learn in the principles, we should use maximum up to 2 or 3 types of font types. So you can see one font type is here, another one here, and other text font is all similar. Now again, in this, we use this image, then we use different types of infographics to highlight the things, what is the process, to all those types of things are used here. Now, another example we can see here, this is another brochure with the various types of things. Again, we have logos, we have text, we have background elements, we have this shape, and this is the highlight of the course, that is CMS. Then again, the same type of technique is used for the target beneficiary. We use this type of icon for the topics. Again, for the duration, mode of conduction, organized by, and certification. So similarly, we use related topic related icons. And as always, you will find these types of things in all these types of brochures or flyers. For the registration, we have this link. So we have used the link icon here. And for the contact mail, we use the mail icon. Nowadays, this is very popular thing. The QR code, simply, you don't need to type the full web address. Instead, you can simply use the QR icon. So you can simply uh, scan it with your phone, and you will move to the website. Again, so all these are part of CTS, and to highlight, we can use these types of symbols. So these types of things are together make the whole brochure. Not only the brochures, offline brochures or online brochures, but these techniques are used all over social media or on the websites or on the mobile apps as well. Whenever you are presenting something to your audience in the form of graphics or the images or the videos, so all those things are used in the same way. Okay, we will learn these things, how to do these types of graphics in the coming part of this training session. So these are the few examples. So as you just saw here, as I showed in these examples, we have resources to get all these things, graphics, resources and tools. One of them is FreePick, Pexel, Unsplash, Flat Icons. These are few of many available online. You can find different types of content on Pixabay, Font Awesome, and this is the online version of Photoshop, Photopea, etc. Today we will start with this tool called Canva. This is the online application to create different types of presentations, docs, presentation for social media posts, for videos, print products and website, etc. So, okay, let's start it. So we can always use our email ID to use this tool. Only you need to search it online. On the Google, you can type Canva, then you can click on the first tool, first link. So I already signed in with this email ID. Okay. So even if you type it again, yeah, here we have. So here's on the home, we have various things, we have various options to create different types of posts. Now you can see we have this thing. First part is flare, that is A4. If you are going to design something, some flare or brochure, you can use this option. For different types of documents, we can use this option. For whiteboards, we have option for presentations. For videos, we have this option. For printable things, for the offline mode, for the websites, or if you have any other design requirement or any other size requirement, we can use this option as well. So we can start with this option, create a design. So again, when we use this option, create a design, you can find different types of options there. There are a number of options for various types of things. For example, we have websites, we have brochures, we have different type of social media post options, lots of things you can find it out here. So not only these things, but you can find different types of things like these templates for the new users. If you want to wish someone their birthdays, okay, if you want to welcome someone, if you want to create a resume, okay, you can see number of things. Even for the diagrams, you can find options for the photo collage, for the price list, for the poster worksheet. So you can find for the certificates as well. We have different types of designs. So first thing you must know what you are going to create. If you are going to create a social media post for the, for example, Instagram, for the Instagram story, for the YouTube, you can create some videos, okay, certificates, logos, and so on. So first thing, we must know what we are going to create and for whom, and is the what would be the resolution of our presentation or post that we are going to create. So first thing is we should know the size. Okay. For example, you are doing it for some customers. So customer will provide you the information, that is what is the content that will go there, what would be the size of your presentation, and what type of color theme, that will depend upon your customer or what or whom you are doing it. So if you don't know these things, you can get all those things here. For the A4 size, we don't know the size. What would be the size in pixels or in the mm? So you can see here for the A4 flare, the size is 21 into 29.7 centimeter or in the okay. For the whiteboards, similarly for the presentation, okay, for the social media, we can check these things here. What would be the size? So for the social media post, again, we have different categories of posts. We have Instagram post. You can see there are different categories: square, landscape, vertical, horizontal. So different types of things are there. And it will automatically choose the size for you. For example, for Instagram post, you want it square and the resolution should be 1080 by 1080 pixels. For the Facebook post landscape, the size is 947/88 pixels. Similarly, for the Instagram story, the size is 1080 into 1920 pixels, that is vertical. So all those options are predefined with the help of this application, that is online, browser based. Only you need is the internet connection. Again, for the Instagram reel, you can find the size here. For the YouTube thumbnails, okay, we have this option. If you are going to upload your YouTube video, then you must also check this option, YouTube thumbnail. So what should be the size of your thumbnail if you are designing a thumbnail for your YouTube? We will check these options in the next part of today's session. What are the thumbnail? What is the YouTube intro? Okay, so all those things we will cover. And also you can see here YouTube banner. So if you don't have any channel of YouTube, so you don't know what is the YouTube channel. So we will discuss these things in detail in the coming part of this session. So that means we have different categories here. We have categories for the Instagram, for the Facebook, for the LinkedIn, and similarly, it will provide you some templates as well. So if you don't have much knowledge in the design area, so you can get the good inspiration from here. You will get some good pre-built designs for you, so you can use them. For example, if you want to create a profile picture, maybe you can try this. Okay. So just by seeing, you can choose what is good for your design and for your web page or for your social media post and so on. So all those things are available online. Okay, so similarly for the videos, we have some pre-designed and pre-animated elements for in the video category. So if you have the Instagram channel, Instagram account and Instagram pages, Facebook pages, and you want to share your products or share your services online with the help of social media platforms, so you will always need these types of things. For example, if you have any particular topic on which you are doing the things for the fashion, for different types of hobbies, for maybe if you have YouTube channel on various topics, maybe on the gameplay or on the fashion industry or different types of product, maybe on different types of hobbies, then you will get something according that. For example, I want to create a video on the topic of say online training. We can always search something. Yeah, so you can see we have different types of training video, training certificates, whiteboard presentation, business online. So different types of things are there. Maybe you can say uh, any other word we can type, say cooking. Okay. So here you can see cook book page, recipe book cover. So different types of things are there. For any hobbies, for example, if you have hobby of maybe gardening, so you will find something like that. We don't have word related to this topic, but you will get something from other online services. So these are some pre-built categories. So you can use these categories to find your thing. For the websites as well, you can find some good ideas how you should design your home page or web page with the help of these pre-built design for you. So another information about the Canva. So as you know by now that Canva is a online application. You can also download the app on your desktop for this thing. But here I'm using the online version. Only you need to sign up with your email account, and Canva is free to use. It is not entirely free. It has various versions. for the free users, it has some options, but most of the options, or if you want all of the options, then you have to pay for it as well. Okay. So again, these are the options here. We have home, we have some. The next tab is projects. These are the projects that, or you can say recent designs or recent projects that you are working on. It will list all those things here. Okay. Then the view as a list or as a grid option. We can also create different types of folders. For example, here in the folder category, you can see we have different type of folders for the different types of work. For example, we have this category, we have display category, we have A4 category, then some miscellaneous designs are. So we can organize the things with the help of these folders. Also, you will find your recent designs. These are the recent designs that we were working with. Okay. As you already checked this one, that is shared with the this training group. The brochures are designed in the Canva itself. So we have different versions of these brochures for different training groups. This is for the government officials. This is again for the government officials. So these are designed in the Canva itself. And here we have another example. So this is various training courses that are going on here by CDEC on various topics. Okay, these are different samples of those brochures. Okay. So we have home button here. We have projects. Then also again, you can see we have these templates. We have brands. This service you can see where we have this crown icon on top of it. That means this is paid service. I'm using the free version. So you can create your branding, brand styles, brand icons, brand pages. So that is in the brand kits, you can say. You can create up to some extent, but otherwise this is the paid portion of the Canva. Then these are the other applications available, other services available by Canva. So you can check. There are different types of services. For example, voice over labs. If you are doing a video thing, then maybe you need to add your voice, or you can also use AI tools to create voiceover for your videos, etc. Slides to video, avatar generator, image blender. So number of things. We have this Scudo game generator as well. AI magnify. So we can use these paid services. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. So you can find out number of things. So here, as you can see, apps loved by marketing teams. So these are the popular apps that people use. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Okay. Now, again, in the Dream tab, so you can see here it is basically AI powered service. What will you imagine today? So you will type some words, keywords, so it will automatically create an image for you according your choice of theme. So these are the AI generated image segment. So you can try these things. But for now, we will check few options. Okay, we will try, say, we can check the templates first. Yeah. So here in the templates, again, different types of templates are there for the business, for the social media, for the education, video, marketing, print products, etc. We can check this print products. We have photos and gifts. We have marketing material, documents, cards, stickers, and so on. In the social media, we have again Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so on. Animated social media post, you can get it here. Okay, let's try something with the Instagram post. So here, actually, this is very, you can say user friendly, only it is a drag and drop type of service. So again, here you can see we have number of templates here, and you can see this crown icon. So these are the paid version of things. So wherever you see this crown icon, that means some elements of this design are paid. For example, okay, we can try this one. So this is a Instagram square post. Post square. The size is 1080 and 1080 pixels. This is designed by the designer. Okay. It also provides the information about the designer. Similarly, we can design something ourselves and post it on the Canva as well. So other one can also use it. We can say use this template. We have option to make it favorite. We can use this star icon. So this is the start or favorite. If you want to use it again, you can use it. Then we have these options. In the three dots, we have the share or report option as well. Again, some information, 100% fully customizable, edit and download and share and publish it anywhere. That means it provides this information that you can use it and publish anywhere without any copyright issues. So this designer shared his design or her design to use it and share it online. Otherwise, generally, when we are creating something, we are creating a graphic or video or anything that we want to publish online or in the public domain. So we always need to keep in mind that it is copyright free objects or elements. So when we are sure that we want to use this, so we can simply use this button to customize. So here you can see this post is made of, as you can browse or hover over the things, you can see it is made of number of things. So you can see we have the background, we have some background elements, as you can see the dots here. Then we have some videos, this video and this video, and then we have the theme related text. So you can see, and also we can check it here. We can play this. Here. So here we don't have any background music, only we have the video without any music. So we can close the presentation and we can check what we have. So as you can see, it is made of number of things. So we have two videos placed on one on another, and then we have on the top, we have this Thanksgiving text. Now, if you want to customize this thing, so we have the options here. And also we can check the tools that are available. We have, whenever you will click on any of these elements, this presentation is made of basically three elements. Two videos are there. You can check and play it here. Another video here. You can check and play it, the preview. And then we have the text. Now, for example, you want to change the text. You can simply, not, this is not the text, this is the sticker. Maybe we don't want this Thanksgiving. Maybe we can place it here somewhere. We want to add something. Maybe we want to add our own text or information. So in that case, we have to use these things here. You can see we have the design part, we have the elements, we have the text, we have upload, we can use our own images on our desktop, we can draw something. We have number of things like we have the photos, we have the audio, and so many things are there. Okay, so if you want to add some text, you can always use these things. Okay, say I want to use this free shipping option. So I will simply drag and drop it on our design. Okay. For example, this text. You can also find the things here. For example, if you want to say, if you want to something related to order, can we find something? Yeah, you can type. It is saying free delivery, and also we can add this order now. Maybe somewhere here. So Thanksgiving, also we can say Thanksgiving offer. No offer option, so we can simply add the text. And we can use it and place it along with our Thanksgiving here. So you can see we have these free stickers. We can also text stickers. We can also modify these things. For example, the free is okay, but the shipping is not visible. So in that case, we have few options. We can select this element. Okay, let's zoom it. Free shipping, double click to select it. Then we have these options. We have the color options. Maybe I want the red color or the blue color here. Okay. Also, you can see we have other elements. We can add effects. We can use all these options that are available. Free shipping, maybe underline it. Okay. Similarly, this is made of again with the text. This is fine. I think I need to change this color, maybe little bit of darker color. So as I select this part of text, we have default color and other color options. Maybe I can go for the darker color here. So it is more visible. Similarly, this is fine, but my this text is very odd here. So to remove that or to modify that again, you can select this. You can check the fonts. Maybe I want this type of fonts. Let's see if we have, yeah, maybe, yeah, something like this. And similarly, we can change the color to the related colors. So we have this Thanksgiving offer and we have different types of elements. We can add or remove elements as the requirement. Maybe I need it smaller. Similarly, not only this one, we can, I think, we can adjust all the elements in this presentation. So this is one of the posts. Maybe we can also change the name. So we have Thanksgiving. We can rename it Thanksgiving offer Instagram post and we can save. It is as it is online, so we don't need to save it. It will automatically go to our recent folder. So you can see a number of things are there. We have these patches or design elements. We have these dots. Maybe if you want to change, the color of this object, here you can see we have the crop option. Okay. We have the rotation option. Okay. So many things are there. Right now I will undo it. Okay, let's cancel it. Okay. So these types of options, we can use it here. Okay, right now I'm closing it. And again, we will move to the home page. So here you can see we have our design that we were working on here. Thanksgiving offer Instagram. If you want to further work on it, you can always open it. Okay, right now we will check another option. Maybe we can create a new design. Maybe I want to create, you can always choose the templates according your needs. Maybe for the social media, I want the maybe this one, Facebook post. Okay. So we choose the design. Maybe another one. It is too wide for the screen. We can choose, I think, the scale one that would be better. Yeah, social media, Instagram. Yeah, the scale option is better. Yeah, this is the blank. Now, to create something, first of all, we need a background. So you can always find the things here. Here you can see there are different types of free backgrounds available. Maybe I want something like this, maybe the star background. Then I need something, some images. So we can always check this option, photos. So according to your theme, you can choose something. Say this one. To wish New Year. Okay. Maybe I can place it here. We can resize it. The next thing, we want to add the message in the form of text. We can always go to the text style. So we have different types of uh, pre-designed text for you. So you can always get one that you want to use. Maybe this one, anything. So we can say happy and new. You can see this thing is basically it is made of a group. Maybe we can ungroup it, and this one we can place it here, and we can say here, Happy New Year. So maybe we can place it like this. And we can always make the size smaller or larger according our needs. Maybe again we can make it smaller and place here. Now this image is fine, but we can also find other images. Okay, let's try 20, 25. You can find we have number of things here. Maybe we can use this one. This is the pro one. So we can try the free one. You can check out it here. We have the cutouts options. In the photos, again 20, 25. Yeah, yeah, maybe we can. Okay, let's try this one. This is fine. We are not going to publish it, but only for the presentation purpose, we can use it. In that case, I will delete this one. So in the middle here, this is the text. And now we can, to decorate it, we can use some other elements, maybe balloons. Yeah, we have number of things. These are the paid one. We can check if we have the free one. Not much options in the free here. Yeah, for the presentation purpose, we can use it. But yeah, these types of elements, we can use it here. We can size it. Maybe we can place it somewhere here. So we can design our own things with the help of these elements. Other things we can type, we can check here in the elements. There are so many elements here. You can check these stickers are there. We can add these sparkles. You can move it here maybe. Then we have, you can check here in the stickers, number of things are there. Maybe we can use this Christmas tree to just like decoration here. Holiday events. We have these lights as well. So number of things are available online. Apart from this, if you want, you can use anything. So let's move it aside, or we can rotate it, I think. Yeah, we can rotate it and then we can place it here. Now for the message, we can always use the text. So our message from CDEC, we can type in anything. Maybe I want some brighter color. So we can, let's try, we can always change the color as well. But I want some formal text. So we can simply type it here. Best of wishes from the deck Mohali. So we type the text and now we can place it maybe in the middle. So as you can see, not only we are doing the things, but it is also helping us to align the things accordingly. Now we have text, maybe brighter text, we can add it here. Okay, so right now it is time for a break. We will continue after a break. We can have a break here. Let me. So we will meet after a small break. Okay, welcome back. So this way we can create some posts and we can share it. So the thing that we can do here, maybe for this text, we can always try different types of fonts. Different types of colors or different types of effects. In the effects, you can see we have the different styles. We can add the shadows. We can make it glow. Okay. And different types of curves or shapes we can add to the text. In the animate area, you can see if you want to animate this text, you can always type in these animations, built-in, predefined animations. I think this is fine. We can use it. Now, how you want to animate it, you can say on starting or ending, on exit only, on enter only. So we can say both. It will automatically animate on the start and end. So as it is an animation is added to this post, we can now export it and share it. There are few options. This is the preview part. We can preview it and then we can share it. Then also we have the option to share it. We can copy this link and share it anywhere on any platform. We have these options on the WhatsApp. We can present it. We can share it in on Instagram, or we can download it. Okay, let's check few options when we download. So as it is a animated post, we can download it as MP4 video. You have options to use the to make it a animated image, that is GIF. We can also use this option. If you don't want animations, a static image, you can use these JPEG, PNG or PDF options as well. But I think for this one, we can use the MP4 video and then we can share it. Now here you can see the quality or the resolution you want to share. So we have square post, we have 640, 640 and so on, and maximum up to 1080 into 1080 pixels for the free versions. If you want higher resolutions, then you have to go for the pro versions, that is the paid one. So that option is not available right now. So right now we can share only up to 1080. That would be good enough for most of the cases nowadays. So, and we can download it. Now you can see there is another issue with this one. It is saying you are using the pro elements, that is paid elements. So it is saying you have to upgrade to the Canva. You can upgrade if you don't want these watermarks, or you can download a free watermark draft to share it. So we can download this video, but it will have that Canva watermarks. As we are doing it only for the presentation purpose, we can download it with the watermark. So we can say continue. So this is a 8-second present post as a video. So you can see it is downloading it for us. So this way we can create number of things with the Canva. So here again, I'm going to the home page and you can see the recent designs are there. So now you can see it is downloaded. We can open the folder and we can check the preview, what we have. This is a video file, so we can use the media player. So this way we can download it and share it further. But as it has some paid object, you will see this watermark is there. So try to use if you are using the free version, only the free elements that are available. So this way we can use and create some designs for you sharing. Okay, next part of this session is, now we will move to the next part, that is the YouTube basics, or you can say how to create your YouTube videos channel and how we can use the YouTube options. We will check those things as well. So I have another presentation for that. So here we will check a few basics of YouTube. So what is YouTube? How we can use it for our audience to market something. Okay, let's start. The first slide you can see unlocking the power of YouTube. What is YouTube? Nowadays, everyone knows what is YouTube. So these are some basics. In this, we will cover everything you need to know to build a successful channel and leverage YouTube immense potential. Get ready to unlock your creative potential and achieve your goals on this platform that is YouTube. Okay, next slide we have here. So what is YouTube marketing basically? The first thing that you see here in this slide, the basic idea of using YouTube or creating YouTube channel to promote your services or products is to reach the audience. YouTube marketing is about reaching your target audience through engaging video content. It is a powerful way to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website by presenting engaging videos. You can drive traffic to your services or your websites where you can launch your products or you can market your services as well. So what is the next point? To build the trust, video content is more engaging than static text or images. It helps to build trust and credibility by providing valuable information and showing your brand's personality. Next thing is drive conversation. YouTube marketing can directly influence conversions. You can include call to action to your video, direct views to your websites or online stores, leading to sales and signups. Okay, next thing. So, what is YouTube? So, as you already know, everyone use YouTube in number of times in a day to get some information, to learn something, to for the entertain purpose. So YouTube is a global platform that allow user to upload, view, and share videos. So basically, for sharing, for entertainment, we use the YouTube. And the most important thing is here, it is second most visited website in the world. So you can see it has a large audience base, you can say, with billions of users consuming a vast amount of content daily. YouTube is powerful tool for communication, entertainment, education, and marketing. So as you can see in this slide, it has billions of users. So if you present something on the YouTube, it will automatically reach to the number of users. The only thing that your content should be of that, you can say, standard. So how to do that? We will check few things in the coming part of this training. Why is YouTube is important? YouTube plays significant role in the digital world. It is an essential source of learning, connecting with others, discovering new ideas. Business use it to market and branding, while creators share their passion and build communities. Even if you are a creator, if you have some hobbies or if you have some special talent, for example, if you are a good singer or if you are a good dancer or if you are a good at anything, then you can share your talent online with the help of YouTube. Understanding how it works is crucial for success in today's digital landscape. So if you know how to use it, then it could be very beneficial for you. Next slide. Again, video marketers provide marketers with an attractive, versatile, and shareable medium to reach their audience. If you talk about stats, according to the Statista, that is an online service that is provide different type of stats. YouTube has over 2.7 billion monthly active users as of 2024. It make it second most popular social media platform after Facebook. Okay, so you can see it has a lot of potential. Number of people are using YouTube for their daily routine, for daily needs, we can say, for the, as we already talk about, for the entertainment purpose, for the information, for the education, anything you want to know. Generally, nowadays people search it on Google or YouTube. YouTube is most popular video sharing platform with the over 80% of all videos views come from YouTube. So almost 80% of all the video on this globe are coming through YouTube. Second most popular search engine in the world after Google. So when we need to know something, we Google it or we simply search it on YouTube. Most popular platform for watching online videos in the United States, over 70% of Americans using YouTube at least once a month. YouTube is most popular platform watching online video among young people, with over 90% of teenagers and young adults using YouTube at least once a month. Overall, YouTube's market share is strong and growing. The platform value is a valuable resource for which businesses and individuals who want to reach the large audience. If we talk about India, India has the highest number of YouTube user in the world with 476 million users as of July 2024. So you can see with that Indian perspective, YouTube is very important. If you want to share, if you want to convey some message, if you want to share your thoughts, if you want to share your talent, anything you want to share, so YouTube is the best platform that you can use. And the most important thing, anyone can do it nowadays because everyone has the access to the internet, everyone has the gadgets to create something. As we all have the mobile phones with in our hands, we can always use that device to create something because almost all the mobiles have cameras and audio recording capabilities. Only if you have a mobile with you, you can create some great content according your choice. Okay, next thing, to create a Google account or you can say YouTube channel only you need a Google account. So nowadays almost everyone has one. So if you don't have, you can always create simple. Just create a Google account, link your YouTube channel, or you can simply create your YouTube channel. So these are the few steps how you can do that. I think everyone knows how to do it. So you can always sign in with your Gmail account and you can start using YouTube. So if you are using or watching some videos, you already done that. So these are few steps create how to create a channel. So if you have the Google account, simply go to the YouTube, just create a channel and you are ready to go. Okay, so here we have some other information about setting up your channel. So there are a few points that you should keep in mind, like channel branding. Choose a memorable name of your channel and create a visually appealing banner and logo. So here is the part that we should choose a good name that is appealing, and also we should use the appealing banner and logos. Again, what that we were trying to do with the Canva. In the Canva, we learn few options how we have some templates to how to use the banner, YouTube banner and logo. So we can use all those things if you are interested to create a YouTube channel. This builds brand recognition and creates a consistent look and feel. So you should always be careful when you are creating a YouTube channel that your banner and logo are up to that mark. So it will be the identity, or you can say it would be the branding of your channel. So in the channel description, second part, write a compelling description that tells viewers that what your channel is all about and what they can expect from your channel. Use relevant keywords and include links to your website or other social media pages or threads, you can say. So in the channel description, we can give the information about the channel, what your channel is all about, what they will get in that channel, and what type of information you are sharing, or what type of content you are sharing with them or with your audience. So all that thing will come under channel description. And also further, if you want to drive those viewers to your websites or your other social media platforms, you can also link those in your description. So next part is channel settings. Configure your channel's privacy settings, monetize option, and other preferences. We will check these practically to ensure the content is accessible to the right audience and meet your goals. So these are the very basic things that you should follow. So again, here we have creating graphics for your YouTube channel. So in this slide, essential steps to create compelling graphics for your YouTube channel. You will learn how to plan your channel's branding, design, thumbnails, and optimize your graphics for the platform. This will help your channel stand out in the competitive landscape. So planning your channel branding, your channel name is most important. Choose a memorable and relevant name that reflects your content theme. Then we have the logo and banner. We will try these things. Color palette, again, the graphic essentials and typography. What type of you can say graphics do you want to use there. Okay, here we have some choosing the right tools. What type of tools you can use. So till now, most of the graphic things are done with the you can say Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Also, we can use the Canva, as we already learned a few things with the Canva, how to use the Canva. But Adobe Photoshop is not a free application, it is paid one. So if you have the access, you can do it. Otherwise, you can always try the Canva and Adobe Express, a professional animation tool for creating dynamic and engaging visuals. So if you don't know Adobe Express, you should try that. You can say it is the just version of Canva online application. So you can use it as well. Just just search it online. It is similar to the Canva. You can check it. The similar options are there. It is saying sign up. So I think we can continue with Google account. So we can use it. Uh, you can see here, I don't want notifications. So I can turn these notifications off. Again, you can see just like Canva, it has similar options. We have home, your stuff, you have brands, you have templates, schedule, learn, and more. And add-ons, you can check out this thing. Okay, at the home, we can see we have number of options here as well. You can start your content, that is just like a new thing you want to create. You can use the AI to generate images or other things. You can explore other actions. You can browse the templates. And again, here you can see we have different categories, just like we tried with the Canva. You can create social media posts, again, Instagram, Facebook. And as we are talking about YouTube, you can see here, you can search something related to the YouTube. So again, you can have YouTube thumbnail. If you want to upload or share your videos on YouTube, for the thumbnail part, you can use this template. Okay. Also, it is providing some free and paid options here as well. So it will give you some ideas what type of, for example, this one, if you are trying to share something related to mobile apps, so what your thumbnail should be, it should be something like this. It is animated, I think. No, it is static, but it is showing it as animated. We can close. So this is the thumbnail part. We can also check other options. There are lots of different types of thumbnail ideas for you. So here we have, it is again just click on the object and you can modify it or edit it. Okay, back to the YouTube thumbnails. We have lots of options. Okay, we can start with a new file. I think we can go to the home. You can find, okay, search for content or generate your own. We can search here. Anything I need, something related to YouTube. So here you can see suggestions, YouTube banner, YouTube display ad, YouTube profile picture, YouTube shorts, template for shorts video, and YouTube thumbnail. So number of things are there. If you want to create a banner, display ad, profile photo, shorts, thumbnails. Although we can use any image, but for the best practices, we can say we should choose these you can say resolutions. For the banner, the resolution should be this one, 2060 into 1440 for the best practices, or you can say best your performance of your channel. For the display ad, the dimension should be 300 into 60, or for the profile picture it should be 800. So it will fit in the perfect way in the space provided by the YouTube. For the shorts, the short resolution, it should be 1080 1920 vertical. And similarly for the thumbnails, the thumbnail dimensions are 1280 into 720 pixels. So you can find number of things. Okay, coming back to, we will try these things as we will progress through this presentation. Okay, next slide. We have designing thumbnails. Okay, we already tried it. That stand out. High resolution, high quality images, incorporate text and graphics. It should be mix of graphics and text. And test different types of designs. Now we have online services available, so we can try different types of services online like Canva, Adobe Express to create these things. Then we have the video part, producing attention grabbing intro videos. Yeah, that is very important. So whenever you are creating a video, it should have a good starting. So that intro of your video should be attention grabbing. So what are the benefits? Establish your brand, create a visual interest, keep it concise. Intro video should be short and to the point, typically to around 5 to 10 seconds. So these are the basics. Creating consistent channel art. So again, these are the examples. So what is the banner image? Okay, I think we can open the YouTube channel itself. So you can see. Okay, let's just go through these slides and then we will move to the YouTube channel. Banner image should be visually appealing and represent your channel's theme. And profile picture should be recognizable and usually appealing. So this is just a random logo and random images I'm just using for the presentation purpose. And this part is the main part of YouTube, leveraging the motion graphics and animation. So whenever you are using or creating a video for your YouTube channel, you should keep these things in mind that your video should include text animation and transition effects and motion graphics. Motion graphics are in general terms we can say videos, good videos. Okay, next thing, optimize graphics for your YouTube platform. So the resolution should be 1080 minimum. The high resolution images and video to ensure clarity on different screens. So nowadays, 1080 or full HD is the standard for any type of video or image, and the aspect ratio is 16 and 9. That means if the width of your video is 16, then height should be 9. That is the aspect ratio. To avoid, we should recommended aspect ratio is 16 to 9 to avoid cropping and distortion. So these are the video standards we should always following. So next slide is growing your YouTube channel. So in this you can see few points are there: high quality content, promote your channel, engage with your viewers, promote your channel. So these types of things that we should. So you can see engage with, respond to the viewers, respond to the comments, answer questions, participates in discussions, build a community around your channel. So these types of things we can use to smooth, you can say, to popularize your channel. Okay, next slide. Okay, here, creating a content for your YouTube. These are the points that we should keep in mind before doing it or creating a channel. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or area of expertise. So if you are planning to create a YouTube channel, so first thing is define your niche. That means you should choose a topic or area of expertise. It is important to have a clear focus to attract a loyal audience who's interested in your comment. So your content should be around your expertise. Research the audience, understand what your target audience want to see and learn, explore what's trending, identify the pain point, and create videos that provide solution or entertainment. So these are very basics. Develop a content strategy, plan your video content by creating a calendar or outline. Consistency is the key. Decide on themes, format, posting schedules to maintain the steady flow of content. So these are the basics of creating, developing, or you can say creating great videos. So what you should keep in mind: storytelling, visual appeal, editing, and optimization. Storytelling, craft engaging narrative that capture your audience attention, use compelling introduction, captive visuals, and call to action keep your viewers locked. So these things we should follow. So visual appeal, that is very important. If your video is not of good quality, no one going to watch it. So keep these things in mind. So invest in quality video and audio equipment. That means you should, when you are creating a video or recording something, the quality of video and audio should be good. Nowadays, most of the mobile phones that we have in our hands all the time are good enough. But if you are going to create a professional quality videos or audios, then you should thought of investing in good quality cameras and mic and other equipments. A good lighting, clear sound, engaging visuals make your videos more professional and enjoyable to watch. That's very basics of creating videos for your channel. The third part is editing and optimization. Edit your videos to remove any unnecessary parts and enhance the overall flow. Optimize the length and pace and consider adding music and graphics for better experience. So these are very basics. So it's not like just record something with your phone and upload it without any editing. So when you create something, just you have to spend some time on how to make it look good with using all these things: storytelling, visual appeal, that is quality, and editing to optimize. So if you have something that is not necessary to show, if you have any unwanted object that you capture by mistake, you should always cut it out by using the editing tools. So if you are wondering how to edit, I will show you some options that are free and online available. Getting started with Windows Video Editor. Yeah, that is the tool I'm talking about. In some of the versions of Windows, the video editors are free to use. You can use that. Otherwise, you can always get some online options. You can check it online. Okay, let's try. If I try free online video editors, you can check the number of options are there. You can try the free ones. Others are paid as well. You can check here. Canva is first of them. Then even in the Adobe Express, we have options to create the videos as well, up to some extent. Yeah, we have the video option. You can see here we have the timeline. We can add or we can edit the clips. We can add audio. We can add the text as well in the form of layers. We will check these options as well. Always we have the Windows Video Editor. I think the latest version in 11 we don't have this, but earlier we have this one. If you have the Mac, in the Mac we have always the video editor tool that is free to use. Also, you can check this option, Clipchamp. This is by Microsoft. You can use this service. We have number of options here to create some cool videos with simple tools or simple, you can say, options here. So you can simply sign in with your Microsoft account. Yep. Yes. Yeah. So here we have the online video editor, plus it has some options to add the background music, to add the you can say text information and other things. Okay, I will come to this point. Let's first check other options. Uh, so when we are going to create a video, so these things are important. So importing and organizing media files. So when you shoot something, shoot a video clip, you need to import it and organize it. That means organizing means you can create different types of folders for different types of objects, like videos for videos, for text, for other things, for logos and other elements, and background music as well. Transitions. So basic editing features and techniques, we have transitions, text and titles, music and sound effects. So we will try these things. So why should we use these things? Why should we create? We should create content for YouTube. So you can see we have these things that we can do. We can create a channel to get popular. We can also earn money if we reach the such a user base. If we have a large user base, then YouTube will also pay for your creativity, to promote your business, to boost your confidence. So these are the main points why we should use the YouTube and video editing and other graphics things. So this is the very important part, how to find your niche. There are number of points: system for satisfaction, what you want to create, what you can create, what people want to see. So this is around basically the main point when if you want to create a video, to find your niche. So first thing, if it is enjoyable, if you find it enjoyable, if you find it satisfactory for yourself, you can do it. Then next thing, what you want to create. If you have any special hobbies or special, you can say, talent, if you want to show that or share that with a large number of people, then you can do it. So what you want to create, that will depend upon that. Next point is what you can create. Sometimes we want to do many things, but we have to check that whether we have the options to do that. For example, if you want to say, I want to create a great looking videos, professional style videos, and you don't have the right equipment for that or right place to shoot that, then you cannot. It is very important to understand what you can create. Okay. And last but not the least, and very important point, what people want to see. That is very much important. So you have to research online what type of topics are popular, what type of things that people are loving. Just check the YouTube trending part and you will find number of ideas that what type of things that are getting popular, what type of thing that are getting popular, what type of video people are watching more. So all those things are there. Okay, this slide, next part. So here we have how to find your niche. So in this, you can see number of boxes are there. So you have to create a checklist or number of things. For example, there are different types of interest with different people. So in the interest, you can see there could be interest for the technology things, for the food things, gaming, for education, fashion and beauty, health, creative things, photography, maybe gardening, hobbies. Okay. And then you have to check what are the resources that you can go for. So these are, for example, these are 10 interests that you should choose. Maybe you can use them or you can create your own list. So these are the interests that are popular online or on YouTube. Then you should check the resources, whether you can do something with the food, whether you can do something with the education or gardening or health or creative or review. So you have to check these things, whether you have the resources that you can, that is, this thing is called, we are just screening the things. First, we list the interests, then we check the resources that with these interests I can choose something. Then you have to check the market online, or you can say YouTube. So what things are more popular? So after choosing the interest, then you have to check your resources, whether you can do these things, food, education, or gardening, or health. Then you have to check the trends. So we are filtering the things from this list. We are going to resources, whether we can do something with these. Then we are filtering according the trends. Say from these 10, I'm coming to these 8. From these 8, I'm coming to trend. But after checking the trends that food, education, gardening are very popular. So we can check these things. And after that, we should also check the competition online. So after checking the competition, according to this slide, I found that gardening is very popular nowadays online. Similarly, second is education. Third is food. So these, after checking the trending or trends online, we are coming to this conclusion that we should try to create something related to these things. Also, it will depend upon your personal interest whether you can create something to these topics. So, this is how we can find our niche to create a video for your YouTube channel. Okay, so we are coming to the few slides, last slides. So in this slide, monetizing your YouTube channel. So after this, after finding your niche and after setting up your channel, we can check how we can monetize your YouTube channel. We have number of options in this YouTube partner program. We have the ads option, channel membership, merchandise self. So we are not going in very much details. In this, we have how to search your YouTube, and we have in this slide we have method to search YouTube, basic search, what are the keywords, what are the relevance. So we will check those things as well. This is all about the searches, advanced search, how to search something. Okay, in this slide, we have the YouTube's algorithm and SEO. So in the previous classes, we learn about lots of things about how to SEO your things. So again, these are the three most common or most important factors, the keywords that you use in your videos, the engagement, and the watch time. Okay, we will check this with the YouTube. Okay, so we have, let me, can close this and we can go to the YouTube itself. So here, this is the YouTube, as you all know, and we have one of our channels. So you can see here, this is the, if you click here, we have the YouTube. On the profile picture click, you have the YouTube Studio. We can have multiple channels, so we can have multiple accounts. We have the options to switch the account. We have the option to go to YouTube Studio. In the studio, you will find number of things to go through your channel. What are the things happening to your channel? What are the most popular things on your channel? So here in the channel dashboard, you have latest video performance. The latest video posted by you, it is listed here, and you can see the stats to this video: ranking, views, impression, and average view duration. So overall channel analytics, you can see the number of subscribers you have. For example, in this channel, one of our channel, we have 4,162 subscribers. And in the last 28 days, we have around 17 new subscribers. Then we have summary of last 28 days. We have number of views that are declining. Watch time hours, that is good enough. Okay. So what are the top videos in last 48 hours in terms of views, you can see. So these are the top videos. And here in the dashboard, we have the popular videos in the recent time and the comment section. What are the latest comments on this channel's videos? Basically, this is the informative video for different types of trades. In this category, we have the lot of good information about the mushroom business. So you can see there are good comments coming up on the informational video on the mushroom cultivation. Okay, so here these are the highlights of your YouTube channel. So these are the recommendations, ideas for you. There we have the greatest insider, and the YouTube experts are advising what to do for your YouTube channel. So you can check it online. what's new in the studio. So you can see it is suggesting increasing shorts length. So now YouTube will increase the shorts length. Now I think the short length or duration is 1 minute. Maybe in the coming days we will see the duration will change. So here we can create the post. Right now we don't have any recent post. So we have the recent subscribers in the last 90 days. So these are the things. Next, we have the content. So this is the recent content that we are posting. This is not all are not public, but for our own purposes, we generally use to uh, post things here. So these are the recent videos. Generally, all these are related to education and our own CDEX programs. Then we have shorts here. We have live programs that we broadcast. Okay. So all this is related to CDEX internal matters. Then we have posts. We have playlists. Number of playlists we have here. We have podcast and promotions. So all these things are there. Then we have this analytics part. So this is very important if you are interested in YouTube channel, creating your own YouTube channel. So if you are new to this, you can see we can check the performance of our YouTube channels with the help of analytics. So here we have overview. Uh, your channel got 894 views in last 28. So that means the last 28 days, how the channel is performing, we can check that here. The views, watch time, and the subscriber. So every day we have few more subscribers. So top content on this period. So in the last 28, what are the most popular videos in this channel? So you can check the list of that by number of views. So here we have the real-time monitoring of the channel, number of subscribers, views in the last 28. We can also check in the last 90 days, or we can check it in last 7 days. So this way you will get the good idea. So what type of content is trending of your channel. So lifetime in 2025, 24. So we have the option to custom that period as well. We can provide our own custom time and we can check what type of content is getting popular or what type of video or content is not doing well. So all those things we can check out here in the analytics part. Apart from this, you can see the content in the video part from last month. Okay. So what type of content is posted there and what type of videos are doing good. And in this views, we have impressions, click-through rate, average view time, everything is here. So average view time, you can see around 4 to 5 hours for these videos. Key comments for audio retentions, okay. So you can always reply your comments on your videos. That is the good practice. So how viewers find your videos, this is very important. how other people or viewers find your videos. So you can see overall 27% videos are shared by suggestions. Browse feature just by browsing 22%, YouTube search 22%, playlist 15%. So you can see this is a good stat. Only with the related video playlist, you can see if your one video on the one topic is doing good, so you can create a related topic video playlist. So if someone like your one video from that playlist, he will automatically check your playlist and also try to go through other videos as well. So playlist is important, plays an important role for your user retention. On YouTube features and others, others means how people share your video. Maybe some people may share it on WhatsApp. Similarly, here you can see in the external how people views or go to your video. In this channel, 21% people search it on the YouTube and go to this channel or this particular video. Similarly, some people share it on Gmail, some people share it on WhatsApp and other things. Similarly, you can see WhatsApp option is there. Yeah, you can always type in your queries. The chat box is open. So here again, the top videos in the last 28 days, you can see the mushroom business videos are very popular. People are searching new ideas for the business, and that mushroom is one of the idea. And because we have a playlist about the mushroom business, so people find it very useful in that case. Okay, so next thing we have community. So in the community, you can see this is basically engaging with people. We have the option to we accept the comments. So that's why we have number of comments. Also, it's good practice to reply back. So whenever we will feel free, we will reply to these comments as well. Okay, next is the subtitles. So subtitle is basically or subtitles as you can see as you see generally you see on the YouTube. So we have the option to add subtitles in various languages. For example, if your video is has the narration in say any local language, maybe for example, if your video have information in Punjabi, then we can provide the translation in the form of subtitles in different languages. For global audience, we can use the English. For other part of India, we can use the regional language, for example, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Bangla, etc. So in the subtitles, we can do that. Copyright, this is very important. And this is why this is important because YouTube doesn't allow anyone to copy something from other video or from other channel. So if someone has copyrighted material and you will again reshare that, that is the unlawful. So YouTube doesn't allow anyone to share others content. So always be careful when creating a video, so you should not get the copyright strikes. So in this channel, you can see we have all our own created videos, so there is no copyright issue with this channel. So keep it in mind when you are creating a YouTube channel. Now, this is, you can see the $ earn. So you can earn money through your YouTube channel. So it has some, you can say, uh, how many videos or how many hours people are seeing your video or how many subscribers you need. Hundred subscriber and eligibility. This is the eligibility to earn money on your channel. For this channel, we already crossed that. We have around 4,000. You should upload up to 3 videos in last 90 days. So to meet that eligibility, you should have 500 subscribers and you should always keep posting the new contents. And one of the following. In the following, we have in last 35 days, 365 days, your watch hour should be 3,000. That means people or public should spend 3,000 hours of time on your channel. Or if you have any short videos in last 90 days, 3 million people should visit your short videos or watch your short videos. So this is the eligibility criteria if you want to earn money online. So keep it in mind. So try to achieve these goals if you want to earn online through YouTube. Subscribers, number of videos in 90 days, and one of this number of watch hours in last year or last 365 days. So these are the basic criteria, so you can earn on, you can apply for monetization. Furthermore, you should always continue to grow, always try to create a new content and try to post it and try to get popularize yourself. So these are the options how you can earn online through YouTube. Next thing is customization. You can add, here we have banner image. Okay. So again, I'm say opening the YouTube. You can click here, studio, click here. Yeah. So here you can see the channel name, and we have the banner image that is here. We can always edit it, change it. Then you have the picture or profile picture, you can say. So this is the logo of this channel or profile picture of this channel. Name of channel, you can always change it. Choose a channel app that represent you and your content. Changes made by to your name and picture are visible only to YouTube and not other search services. You can change your name twice in a 14 days. So keep that in mind. You can change your name and other things that only twice in 14 days. So this is the handle and description. In description, we also add other web pages address. Okay. So this is your channel address. You can add more links to your other services. Video watermark, you can always add here. So here, where you want to show your video watermarks, you can check it here. Okay, next thing we have the library. So in this, you can see this is the view of this channel, the name, banner image. So also we learn in the Canva and Adobe Express how to create these things. So you can check and take the help from there. So what should be the size of your banner image? What should be the size of your profile picture and other things? So again, these are the few playlists that we have. When someone will browse your channel, these things will come first. The latest videos, the popular videos on your channel, the selected playlist that you want to show to others, and the selected video that you want to show to others. So you can always customize these things in the channel customization here. Okay. So the banner, profile picture, the name, and watermark on the home tab here. In the home tab, what type of layout do you want? Channel trailer for the other people. What is the highlight of your channel? What your channel is all about? So you can check out and add the video accordingly. Featured video is there, again the similar. And popular videos, you can see we can always drag these things. So you want multiple playlists, you can always drag these things and adjust accordingly. So what are the popular video and other things? Multiple playlist, you can what you want to highlight. So these things are there. Similarly, you can add other sections. You can add live if you are broadcasting something, past live streams, upcoming live streams, single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlist, and subscribe. So what are your subscriber? If you want to highlight those things, you can also check that featured channel. If you want to promote other channels of your organizations, you can add top community tips. You can always add these things. So this way you can analyze and modify your channel. So coming back to this slide, you can see.
There was a lecturer.
So we have number of options with the YouTube channel. Okay, so next part is SEO. There are a number of slides. Okay, we are coming back to the YouTube channel itself, where we can see different options. So here we have here in the content part, we can check any of these videos. Anyone, maybe let's say this one, we can edit it. So here, first, whenever we are posting, so we have few options, or I think we can try to post something new here. Okay, let me see if I have any videos here. Maybe this one. We can post this one. So how we can do that? Okay, because we are discarding this one. So to create a new video, always we have the option to upload a video, go live, create a post, new playlist or new podcast. But right now we need to upload a video. We have something in the downloads. I think this one. We can upload any video. Now you can see when we are uploading, you can say we have this video about uh, we can type the title of this video, say New Year wishes. Okay. And also you can see these there are some suggestions, but this is not related to this one. Actually, we have one extension is added that is called VIDIQ. It is suggesting, but you will not get these things. Just hiding it. Suggestions. So we have New Year wishes for this video. So again, what is the description of video? So you can always type something, say New Year wishes from the deck Holly. Okay. And other things you can the thumbnail here, the thumbnail part, you can always modify it. By default it will automatically suggest. So in which playlist you want to add this video, say I have number of playlists, so I can simply move this video to CDEC other videos. So next part is the audience. This video is set not to made for kids. So YouTube is very strict on this part because lots of kids are on YouTube as well. So YouTube want you to check that whether your video is for kids or not. So if your video has that type of contents, that video that kids can watch, you should check that. Yes, it is made for kids. Yeah, we can do that. Otherwise, we can always say that no, it's not for the kids. Okay, you can also check this age restrictions. You can change that as well. Uh, so next part is your video has paid promotions. If that is the case, you can check that. So that means YouTube use your video to add the advertisement by others as well. Okay. Do any of the following describe your channel? Makes a real person or it is AI generator? So you will always check those options. Right now there is nothing. Automatic chapters we can allow. We can allow automatic places. And then we have the tags. This is the most important part of your YouTube channel. So you should add the tags. Say the first tag will go like say C tag. Just add a comma and space. Okay. Next say C tag Mohali comma. This is the next tab. So we can add number of tags. If you have already list of tags, you can simply copy and paste it here. Otherwise, you can simply type in. Say this is about new year. So we have another tag. Next tag could be wishes. Next tag could be anything related to your video. Maybe we can add some general, say 2025. Otherwise, we can always say, hmm. So these types of tags we can add. So this will go to the YouTube algorithm. So whenever someone will search one of these keywords that we or tags or keywords that we added there, so it has a uh, good you can say someone will come to your video. Good chances to come to your video. So tags plays very important role when you are choosing your tags and up while uploading your videos. So choose these keywords or tags very carefully. Okay, next part is language and caption certification. Select your video's language if needed. By default, it is English. In this video, we have no language because there is no vocal information. Caption certification, yes, you can choose according your needs. Recording and date, you can say we can add today's date. Location, it is not necessary, but you can say simply, we can say Mohali. And what type of license that you want that will describe your channel. There are only few options. You have standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attributions. So I think we can go for the standard. Adding publish to subscription feed. So it will also publish on your subscribers feed. Short remixing, allow other video or creators to use your audio or video or audio only. I want say other creators or other subscribers can use my videos audio part for the remixing part, or generally it is used in the shorts video. So people use each other's maybe background music or music as well. So in this we have the category, what type of category of your video. So in this channel we generally use this education, but I think we can change it here for this video, maybe for the entertainment. Comments and ratings. Choose if and how you want to show comments. You can, if you want to allow comments, you can turn it on, but right now we have turned off for this video. So sort of comments, sort by top comments, so all those things. Show how many viewers like this video, so you can turn this on as well. We can turn the comments on as well. So moderation, I think basic or none is good for this because there is nothing wrong with this. We are only wishing. And next is the video elements. Use cards. We can add related cards, or we can add the subtitles. And checks, this is by the YouTube. YouTube automatically check your content, and if it finds some copyright issue, it will list here. So that way you will decide whether you want to publish it or not. But if you have some copyright issue, it is recommended not to publish it. Just fix your copyright issue problems, and afterwards you can publish your videos. Very important. Otherwise, if your channel is popular and you have the copyright strikes or copyright issues, YouTube can simply disable or deactivate your channel. So this is very important whenever you are creating your YouTube channel. Copyright is the very important part. So always check that uh, YouTube automatically analyzing your content while you are posting it. Okay. So till now we have the green tick. That means no copyright issue. So we can move forward to the next part. So here we have the visibility option, save or publish. Choose when to publish and who can see your videos. We have three options: private, unlisted, and public. In the private, only you and people you choose to can watch your video. So it will depend. Maybe we can say share privately. We can share privately to some mail IDs. Okay. Or unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. So in the unlisted, we can share the link of video, but it is not public. That means unlisted. Only people with the link of that video can watch that video. And third, that is public. Anyone on YouTube can watch your video. So right now, maybe we can make it public. There is nothing wrong with the New Year wishes. We can make it public. So that way we can upload and publish our video. Also, here you can see this is the preview. There is nothing, only Happy New Year 25, best wishes from CDAC. So we can publish it. We can copy this link and say publish. Also, again, you want to share it, you can share it on the various platforms, social media platforms. And again, it is giving you the option to share it. We can again copy it and close it. Now our video is public. So again, go to the dashboard of your channel. You can see the latest YouTube short performance, and it is in the list of shorts, I think, because the duration is only seconds. So all the videos that are less than 60 seconds are in the shorts video. So it is in the shorts category now. Similarly, if I want to share it, I can share it on any platforms. For example, if I want to share it, I can share it in the chat as well. The chat, I can paste the link here. So you guys can check it as well. So I think that's all for this session. And also let me share the attendance with you. So you can mark your attendance. And if you have queries, any doubts for this session, you can type in your doubts here in the chat box. So these are the few options. There are lots of options, but within this time, we shared some insights of your social media platforms and other things in this course. So this is all about YouTube for now. You can always learn more things online on the YouTube itself. There are lots of content available online. As you can see in the dashboard itself, it is there. You have creators inside. Just go and check these videos. You will find a lot of information about the YouTube channel, how to create, how to get the good ideas, or what type of content you want to share with others. So you will find all those information in detail as well on the YouTube itself. So I'm wrapping up the things now. So other things, so if you have any queries, you can type in. So we have scheduled a quiz or a test for this training on the coming Monday. So all those who attend or who uh, register for this training will get a link on the mail ID on which you register for this course. So there will be I think 50 MCQ based test for you. So after attending, or you can say completing your test, you will be eligible for the certificate from the CDEC and Future Skill Prime. So that's all from CDEC. I'm signing off. So I think it's time now. So best wishes from the CDEC Mohali, and always we are always open. If you have any queries anytime, you can always post online. So that's it for the behalf of the CDEC team. Thank you very much.